Welcome back, fellow EV enthusiasts. We're excited to bring you the latest scoop on the highly anticipated 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, the second model year of this all-electric luxury crossover. As we dive into this electrifying topic, we'll cover the production timeline, the introduction of the new tech trim, and most importantly, when you can expect to lay your hands on this automotive masterpiece. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is poised to build upon the success of its inaugural year, offering the perfect blend of comfort, cutting-edge technology, and timeless style, all while contributing to a cleaner environment with zero local emissions. So, when can you expect production to kick into gear for this sleek EV? The production of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, scheduled to commence on March 20th, 2023. This exciting development will once again take place at the GM Spring Hill plant in Tennessee, a facility that has undergone a remarkable transformation with a $2 billion renovation. It's worth noting that the final day of production for the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq is slated for March 17, 2023. This transition marks the beginning of a new chapter in the Lyriq's electric journey. Introducing the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq Tech. Now let's explore what's new in the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. One of the most significant updates for this model year is the introduction of a brand new trim level, the Tech Trim. This trim, designated by the 1C Equipment Group, is positioned below the luxury and sport trim levels, serving as the new entry-level offering in the Lyriq lineup. The starting price for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq Tech is set at $58,590, which includes DFC, destination freight charges. This new addition is designed to provide even more options for prospective buyers, expanding the Lyriq's appeal to a broader audience. To gain a deeper understanding of the Lyriq's production journey, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The production of the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq first commenced in March of the 2022 calendar year at the GM Spring Hill plant. This marked a significant milestone as the 2023 Lyriq became the first ever fully electric production model to proudly bear the Cadillac crest. However, the initial phase of Cadillac Lyriq deliveries was relatively conservative. Only 122 units were delivered in the launch year. This deliberate approach was taken to address certain teething issues encountered with the all-new electric vehicle. Among these challenges were software management updates, a fix for a cracking liftgate panel, and a recall related to display issues. Moreover, the logistics of getting vehicles from the production line to dealerships also played a role. Typically, it takes anywhere from 30 to 100 days for an automobile to make its way from the factory to a dealership, and considering that a significant portion of Cadillac Lyriq units were produced from September 2022 onwards, many of them are still in transit or in the final stages of reaching dealerships. Delivery date for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. Now, the big question on everyone's mind is when you can expect to receive your 2024 Cadillac Lyriq from dealerships. While we can't provide an affirmative answer, we can certainly offer some informed speculation based on available information and historical trends. As of now, a suggested date for the arrival of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq at dealerships is September 6, 2023. This date, while exciting, should be taken with a pinch of caution, as it is subject to several variables. To assess the validity of the suggested delivery date, we can draw insights from the production and delivery history of the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq. As mentioned earlier, the 2023 model year witnessed a measured rollout strategy, with only 122 units delivered in its debut year. One critical factor contributing to the delayed deliveries was the need to address specific issues identified during initial production. As a result, the quality hold-on-built units was a pivotal step in ensuring that the vehicles reaching customers met Cadillac's stringent quality standards. It's important to note that quality and customer satisfaction take precedence over a rush delivery schedule in the automotive industry. Given the experiences with the 2023 model, it is likely that Cadillac will take a similar approach with the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. This could involve a phased delivery strategy, prioritizing quality assurance over speed. Additionally, logistical challenges, such as shipping and distribution, must be considered. The process of getting vehicles from the manufacturing plant to dealerships involves a series of steps, each with its own set of variables that can impact delivery times. These factors include transportation capacity, distance to dealerships, and local regulations. Now that we've discussed the potential delivery date for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq and the factors influencing it, let's delve into how you can secure one of these cutting-edge electric vehicles from your local dealership. Step 1. Contact your dealership. The first step in your journey to owning a 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is to get in touch with your nearest Cadillac dealership. You can usually find their contact information on the Cadillac website or through a quick online search. Reach out to them to express your interest in the Lyriq and inquire about the availability and reservation process. Step 2. Place a reservation. Dealerships may offer reservation options to secure your place in line for the 2024 Lyriq. This is a common practice for highly anticipated models, and it allows you to get ahead of the queue when the vehicles start arriving. Step 3. Stay informed. Keep a close eye on updates from Cadillac and your chosen dealership. As the production date draws nearer, they should provide you with more precise information about delivery timelines and the steps you need to follow. Next, arrange financing. If you haven't already, consider your financing options. Electric vehicles, while cost-effective in the long run, often require an initial investment. Check with your dealership about financing options, including any incentives or tax credits available for electric vehicle buyers in your region. Prepare for the arrival. Once you receive confirmation of your 2024 Cadillac Lyriq's arrival at the dealership, it's time to prepare. Ensure you have all the necessary paperwork, including your driver's license, insurance, and financing documents, in order. This will streamline the purchase process. Schedule a test drive. Before finalizing your purchase, schedule a test drive. Getting behind the wheel will give you a first-hand experience of the Lyriq's features, performance, and comfort. It's essential to ensure that this electric crossover meets your expectations and requirements. Finalize the purchase. After your test drive, if you're satisfied with the Lyriq and everything is in order, you can proceed to finalize the purchase. Be prepared to provide the necessary down payment or complete the financing paperwork if applicable. Take delivery. The day you've been eagerly anticipating has arrived. You'll be handed the keys to your 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, and your electrifying journey begins. Don't forget to ask your dealership about any special features or maintenance requirements specific to electric vehicles. Finally, enjoy the ride. Once the Lyriq is in your possession, it's time to savor every moment behind the wheel. Revel in the seamless acceleration, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort that the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq has to offer. And of course, appreciate the eco-friendly benefits of driving an electric vehicle with zero local emissions. In conclusion, while the suggested delivery date of September 6, 2023, is an exciting prospect for those eagerly awaiting the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations. The lessons learned from the 2023 model's rollout suggest that Cadillac is committed to delivering a top-notch electric vehicle experience, even if it means a measured and deliberate approach to production and distribution. As EV enthusiasts, we can appreciate the dedication to quality and performance, and we eagerly await the day when the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq graces our driveways, delivering the perfect blend of luxury and sustainability that we've come to expect from Cadillac's electric offerings. Until then, stay charged, stay informed, and stay excited about the electrifying future of automotive innovation. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then leave us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.